Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if your Xbox One controller is not connecting and pairing back up to the console. And this is actually rather easy. If you look on the Xbox One controller, there's a pairing and syncing button right here that we want to go ahead and press. Then also on the Xbox One console, under this black trim, there's another button we need to press. And we want to press both these buttons at the same time. And it's going to put them into the blinking mode. And if we do this, they're going to be blinking at the same time, and eventually they will connect. So I just held it down for like 3 seconds. You can see they're both blinking, and eventually they should connect and pair up with each other. So you can see once my controller is solid, it should be paired. And now if it's still not pairing, get a micro USB cable and simply just plug it into the Xbox controller. And then press the Xbox button, and it should be connected via that method. Then we can unplug it, and then we can utilize this as a wireless controller. Now if it's still not working after that, turn off the Xbox by holding down the power button, and then do the same thing on the controller. And this should manually turn them both off. Also, take out the batteries on the controller just like this, and leave that out until we plug back in our console. And I'm going to unplug my Xbox One from the wallet and leave this unplugged for at least 1 minute. And you can hold down the buttons on the front to dissipate any kind of residual power as well. And we should be good. And then we can plug this back in after a short time unplugged. Then try plugging in your controller directly to the Xbox like this. Press the Xbox button to turn it back on, and it should power on the console, and it is now connected. You could try this with the batteries in or without when it's connected via a USB cable, but doing that should reconnect it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.